Assalamu alaikum, my wonderful friends. Remember how in Surah Duha, Allah promised us hope? Well, get ready for the next part of that amazing promise. This surah is called Ash-Sharh, which means the relief. It's Allah's special message telling us that no matter how hard something feels, He will always make a way out and make things easy for us. Let's listen to its powerful words first.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alam nashrah laka sadrak wa wada'na 'anka wizrak alladhi anqadha dhahrak wa rafa'na laka dhikrak فإن مع العسر يسرا إن مع العسر يسرا فإذا فرغت فانصب وإلى ربك فارغب.
Now, let's understand the powerful comfort in these words from Allah. Allah starts by asking a beautiful question. Did we not open your heart for you? Imagine your heart feeling tight and heavy with worry. Allah removes that heavy burden and fills your heart with peace and space for happiness. Allah says that the worry was so heavy it felt like it was on your back. But He took it away. You don't have to carry that heavy load alone anymore. Then Allah gives two more amazing gifts. He raises your honor. And He gives the most important rule in the Quran. With every difficulty, there is ease. Say it with me. With hardship, there is ease. This is a promise from Allah Himself. Allah repeats His promise to make it extra strong. With hardship, there is ease. Then He tells us what to do. When you are done with your work, turn to Allah in prayer. Talk to Him about your hopes and dreams. He is the one who can truly help you. So, my brave friends, whenever you face something difficult, like a hard test, or a problem with a friend, remember Surah Ash-Sharh. Allah's promise is true. After the rain, comes the sunshine. After the difficulty, comes the ease. What is something you found difficult that later became easy? Share your story in the comments to give hope to other kids. If this message of relief made your heart feel light, hit subscribe so you never miss a Quranic promise from Allah. Always turn to Allah, for He is the one who opens our hearts and makes everything easy. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.